a mohwe ne nakwaku bonsam the great authentic man enwa nyina wo so a ebeka abe ene de musomfo moadie nyina ne nakwaku bonsam he dade na wo ye nka che so kamera no bi me mpetwe ne twene uni so tumi so ma fama gawo wo nsa di no fan chiro so bani abre na me kasa no ene mi gira me maame abraka na so Yana for me bisa se ade ti na mi gira maame na so mo fa kamera no to fo bi so bi o se me maame aha ana masie me maame me na nakwaku bonsam me maame na no no me gira me maame na so complete maame nu so mama so ya kama maame da mi fagi yetia me gira maame na so ne se me pese Ghana fo nyina share video we na video we a message to akwa no so ode eagle no wanya prophet o ode eagle was ode eagle ni di ni kwa de hwan ni hwe wo wura me maame o she fo ma sei ana tumi na nakwaku bonsam mefo me maame abrakra ana tumi the great authentic man enwa nyina wo so ebeka be watumi fo nene me ba ya mama no boko me ba ni tin anya boko asem me buta me sam snap JHK me maami tu me fose 2013 sa me boko kum na ndo ba asase so me mpese oni sofo bia ebenya kasakasa da enu amu ana odumanko wo be fa maami koye me maami abrakra eko ensamando ena duai koyi me picture ba mfanturo mu se maami o woni picture ni kopatum ho ena duai wo so bi so the age prophet se min na nakwaku bonsam mewusum na me pesa me din sakasa kira me maami ansana asemi wo ho a meka amaka medinsa snap pantu baako mede bekasa kire maame se abra enye sa asema akasa kire mse kwaku oba minyae mo fa kire ba bia camera no ade asa na ma cheda be kama maame na so me fie ankasa na medina no mani abre pa yi cheda pokwa me ya chonsa asase bonya bagisa no na no samafo nya magisa no kofi okofisa agada kokubofo bagisa no amfa free bofo musulumunu wadawuma bagisa no wo pokwabra esuansu atwam yase ahia nyina momna bagisa no ena dia yi same fremu a enye boni bi fabra eye boni kwa yekuram obi ahwe mami picture nie eye wa oba na number nsam ba de be picture na chima me na me gira na so yi me gira na so a buka kira me se mami ni sofu bia enni anobaba yeda mami ni sofu bia enka ensem seda jajai uji so de ade ba me kira chiri eti ma ji se me ni sofu bia enni anobaba yeda metie wu nsem akwase se me so odumanko wo be den e ba be fa me abra ka samsani o abra samsani na me pese me tu anu awofom ene duai me frow na mamansa se abranti e friend say age prophet oba panyini me o mama ku ensia me ni bapanyini eti mami me de me kanyina ne se abranti me nya ne hwe se mafum no kwa kam ni fum bata a wasi nyankopon asma ne se me wo goba mi ba be wu me samai ne yire edi mawo me samai ne ma de mawo me samai wono amu de mawo sadia kokwa fa so beto nwa so fa sadia sa beta so no afa free bo fo woni posum kasi abeko ko musam wudi matu di kofi ko o ma busiafo efri abusia pani so so akwara woni nge me samai wo nyina de mawo sa wono se we baifo na wa sen ko me na bo ma bia wu a me sumi pese abre wona so na diginan every night ekwesi se afu enko na wiye no na butuam efi tire ekwesi tire efi abutua panyini so ekwesi amola ya wo ne nhe so me pese abutua tini pa maku dumienu na asama do from nyina wo mu super mo so furu hu say yes mi ko ku busam asema me kan na ana aye ho me swana nanom asama do dondo asama do owo bakan me to abusua nu me swana agade ko ku bofo wo bo mo fo akra ba ni mani me swan wo ti tatetan fo to abusua no so abranti abusua ofiri mu se me nka no na ofiri abusua bi mu na obekasa me ko ku nsam wode me na hanam obetim ho agro se won wo sen ko mani sia de ene abra krei wona wo me say abranti mpena busuafo na mari na me from ha no kra bia won bia na di ma wadi wo mo asori dem ho mani nyina na di me ko ka obi na be kamia what goes yes enti abra me siro ma buko toje ubanie awanim sa dia me be ye no nya me pe na brantie enso ta ponchira ne awaje wo ewra ho sa asema aka kire me na ne dia mi ba be buso oba kama ntuwa no asem wo fom da na empokwa no sa abra me wua ani ono sofo no kwose na abam me kwa medical ya hada da se me wu omo fa me tura ye hai ana mayi wona na mayi ma ye do ho so kama me wu omo fa me tura ye hai sa abra me wua oriasi onipa bia ewuo onipa afa so de to sofo no ni nsa sam di kuri tiro so na pampa so sanda busuam de abusofo ni nyina na nam from Montana yo Ghana for amu chemene na koku bunsam enya se dambi na mabo ene manya asere ma me kwan yi die besa be ka asem kire Ghana for emo mu hu ni pa me na koku bunsam ye me ya konfo a metete ha mani lubra Ghana for te ni pa me na me nya konfo o na me ko SD obi onimbia 7 days advance check na nyai ana sabe akombe ka me medikashi 1986 oh kura fa na kuma de front ho na me gina yi ho ana ma sie me maame a ma ye ntadu we wo me maame na so ana ne me gina yi na beta Ghana fo nyina ati ase ese we bo ase boss ayi me come na me say no me see 1986 me start akom 1999 it was a what check hwe me say yero me go da hospital 2 years 8 months 2 years 8 months many we fry 1 year many a fry 1 year na me hunu ade da na na mo Yankopon na hu mo bro na do yenti na ma me hunu ade na enumu ansana mi fraduma e kofi na obi yale da hospital na me ko antima for hospital pankro no adabraka obi sa antima for obeka akiro na be onipa na ko hospital ana mbe ye konfo se na we bosom woni fiti kofi powers na mbe ye konfo me ye konfo yi me nye boni da na obi ni asem na me wo ho ani ese osofu ye fe na ejere prophet asefan wati mi na ko kubu samba do Ghana fo mu tieni ye hwe ewi ase asempa nipa na fe na ho asem na me be se be kache sofu ne se me ni Yankopon atentam wo bia me mawuo ami ekosiem yeduru Zion for aso da ho na adaka na komisa na okurafa ana wo hwe otunti ya na adaka ni disi from crane that was the first day me ni we hunu ade yekosiem ana adaka ni si from ana me ni tie that was the first day me ni hu ade 1986 asem na making wo kwa Yankopon fa aso eyede enyan me free awufom hwe ni yo etim ye ka rek magu afu be kanesha ma pa badada etinya wo ege prophet no ana wo be kase jankwala no ana wo be kase mi bewu mi wu a mi maame wo me na da wo wu abraka wo wo sha samado se mi wu a Yankopon ye seye na mi beza mi ka che sofo ne se wo ti Yankopon na yi kire no wo ti Yankopon na soma no hwe Ghana ha ya ma sofu ni bi edi ye ni aboye ho safonye wo sa idi prophet we me ka cho pray so onyankopon na suma wa ade no koyi sabe konfo bi a wo chechekere ko le ehwo di afan kirew na kwaku bu nsan wo yi mu di kirew ope helper ope di na maka yete kwaku bu nsan ege prophet ana say me pese ye kika trosem bi fi ase ye kika trosem ebi fi wodi for Jeremiah chapter 23 verse 32 wodi for Jeremiah chapter 23 verse 32 Mr. Kinkafo Maniko Jeremiah chapter 23 verse 32
Jeremiah 23 verse 23 verse 32
also Kinkaba verse 32 Jeremiah chapter 23 verse 32
Sure mene adifo a wososo atrada no anya
mene adifo a wososo atrada anya
Erade asemni one day wakeka da
no
na wode atrasem na ene one adwenhwere mu
Tobasi repeat it again
na wode one atrasem ne one adwenhwesem dada meman no
wode one atrasem ene den
one adwenhwere mu sem
one adwenhwere mu sem tio what you say atrasem ene one adwenhwere mu sem ene dey ya den
wode dada meman
ene dada Ghana fo
na so me sma wo
na so already see won sma wo
na me share wo
won say wo ejid prophet nyankopon see won sma wo se be ka tese ko bu sam wo come on here
na won ho winya
why Jeremiah chapter 23 Jeremiah chapter 40 23 verse 16 23 16 keka ho mam
odi for Jeremiah ngoma no ti adonu mi chemu dunsia no
that's right
se asafo erade sie
ni se asafo erade nyankopon obo so ni asase obo mi na kwaku bonsam sie ri o
muntie adifo a wohehye monkom nsem no
wati muntie adifo a wohehye monkom nsem no hweto ba si na ho ye tele David anko wuye Mr. David anko yire na busua we de yakọ Mr. mo nyese me ka mo ya Mr. mo modaloma Mr. mo bu Mr. mo nyaado ye wura David anko ewuye ye pe prophet ya obeti wa kire the person who killed David anko. Yeah, who prophet? Any prophet? Where were you that time? You are stupid and fool. Hey, Kikai, transform me.
What the more call a woodie?
Jeremiah chapter 23, verse 16. What you call woodie?
One akumam and swadi who now keka.
One akumam and swadi who walkika. One akumam and swadi who and wearing walkika. Transform me. And feel ready to go for no. It was a full again prophet ye, and someone can be a go for. We are passia. Who was a fool? I tell you, you are foolish. You are fool. You are idiot. What is that? You are stupid and idiot. Nyamina smile. We are kwasia. I don't want to violate anybody, and I don't want to insult anybody, because the Bible said that anybody who insults the man of God, Obenya no me. Now, whoa, you are not a man of God. You are stupid and idiot. Hosea chapter 9 verse 7 and I said, check on me. Hosea chapter 9 check on me. Hosea chapter 9 verse 7.
Odifo Hosea ngomano.
Odifo Hosea ngomano. Mo ki kama me. Asotwe nano enya aba. Asotwe nano enya aba.
Erade nano enya adu.
Erade nano enya adu.
Israel behu se odifo
Ghana fo behu se
odifo ni ojimifo
Ghana fo behu se dey
odifo ni ojimifo
pasi aboa na betu aye wo ya ma me treme sa ka asem wo si odifo ege wo jimifo ege prophet we jimifo the Bible said that we jimifo ye pasi a me ka to pray ege prophet we kwaku bo sam say hwemanim me ma sese me da hospital 2 years 8 months mi wuyi ye ko sie mi no opeso timi history me kiro ana obi no okura de ko abro nsa na de ka ne ball for na so tinam si kan ne fa enye na ye di na do bom gege no ye di ahoma ne ye di bom ne sane mi wuna hallelujah be ma be yiwa me ni nyina But this is the
Israel, the one who said,
there be starting him.
I saw train and Anyaba.
Was that chapter 9 verse 7?
Was that 9-7?
Was that Jacob?
I saw train and Anyaba.
I saw train and
I return Nanu Enyadu.
I return Nanyadu.
Israel, the who said,
Ghana for the who said,
Odi for your Jimmy for.
what deep for your Jimmy for? Ghana for it, you from Quasia, we are Jimmy for. We are bois. You are madness. You are stupid and idiot. We are Quasia. Me know. Me want my cry the wood. My mother has passed away. And my money. Wo would you have brought Canada? Me, mammy, no war. Me, mammy, no year. And let me tell you, no, say. And you'll be a mammy. Me, mammy. Well, one year in phone. Me, mammy, or won't come in. Never, me, every 3 cents. I won't say, me, mammy. Make sure say we'll get a prophet. I want to show you something. Share me, mammy. Show me, mammy, and him. Let's show me. That is my own mommy. Me mammy or the baby asking, woo. Me papa so again, woo. It is a mammy woo. Mimi woo, make sure boy. Na, sabi previous. Will be a way we are sitting who are vegetable. Will be a way we are saying. Be a way better. Over vegetable, over send me password, man. And I hear it. Will be found me, man. Will be a new yourself vegetable. A 2 again prophet, you know. Who a way power busham, what bush your penny go too for. Then you never see a man crying. What a man. What bush your friend never go to see a man crying. Move a woo, a woo, Satina, Mamuka Castro. Say, of course, my crying for Casamana. Me catch a prey. This ain't go just a Tinian, near Cobo. A web of him, a web. But just tell me if I go with some. Wolf, you only man. Compare that dear Chafat, compare a youth. Only man. Compare the same way. Every prophet, catch your butcher for. Uncle Pedro said, no one yet. A God, a channel for Shabuti. If you don't know me, let your family members or be able to assist for Shabuti. And your friend of Bompire. Bompire, Panabo show, or who was some show. You don't know me. What can you on? Now, tell you, what boy said is my Saturday, necessary. Me, I said, yeah, when you go over and say, necessary. Me, I dear Bia, when you go over and say, necessary. A wife and a man. Hey, compare charge of information. I do man. To charge and
iPhone.
And the charge and everywhere.
Black.
I saw my choice is here. Hey, brah. 2 Timothy chapter 2, verse 23. 2 Timothy chapter 2, verse 23. Yeah, conclude. Messi was of prayer. One more could be Janka. I announce any pay who your friend say. Ahmed. Pasia, one of film. So Sama Biladi America for Kun. We are Pasia. Bible see we are Pasia. We are Amroba. She said, "Was your kind." Hey, woman, Kwame, what was your uncle? And Parano, we are Takradino. What a good prophet. I didn't know when you go point in Quran to say, I know me. Also, free animal, we are first say, also for a used to another. Mr. Banaba, Papa Wadauma, Mr. William Kawaya. I didn't know when you go point in to say, Mr. Banaba, Nejimukoya accident, it's a common uncle, we are Pasia. Bible, so your Pasia. Sana, Ebelizadaka Yadom, Obinum, sorry, Obinum, Nesofuna or Ayi, Sarcosio Mono, your friend Ayiwa Honey, Obano, wo we young point to any Obinum, Ayachan, Obinum, Kanyamian, and so Oyambo, Obano, wo ye, 31st, no, 31st over me. Who Yabu Boyan to your Pasia, who give prophet to your Pasia, make a couple something you're stupid. Take a 2 Timothy chapter 2, verse 23.
2 Timothy
chapter 2, verse 23.
Chapter 2, verse 23.
23. Come on.
Na nkwasia achini die one first ahwe no die.
Bible say na nkwasia achini die wo egi prophet. One fanya den.
Efa anya hwe no die egu.
Efa hwe egu. Nemo every say.
Unim say edento odi ekon ba.
Why so kanko enkotokwa. 2 Timothy chapter 23 verse 16. Me wa
223.
223. What in a Quasiati idea? One for Shiashi, one for Shiahin, Egu. Nancy, Radia Quaso, Wako. Now, who see a man of God? Yakubo send me Gobu Sanko. Catch a semi. I'll put an arm me presses. Me presses.